Ooh, 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 wow. Oh, oh, oh. Wow. Something right under there, baby. Okay, we'll deal with that later. This looks like actual dirt instead of sand. Amazing. Some of these plants and trees have more underground than they do above ground. Ideally, I would like to have monkey grass around the entire base of this palm here. All sorts of nasty stuff tries to grow up around it. So we'll see how well this stuff propagates. And maybe later on I can put some more on here. This whole area, just have it monkey grass. Whoops. I just scared a bird. There was a bird in the tree right above me who didn't know I was here. Time to put some monkey grass. Monkey grass. I like that, man. I like that. And I like getting that whole thing cleaned up. There's a nice little roots down. Roots down. I should write a book called Roots Down. There we go. Okay. Down, I said. Down, 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 down. Boy, these sure are interwoven. The leaves, the roots, they all just weave a tangled web. Look at that. Oh, baby, this is gorgeous. I'd like to get 2 more plantings out of this. Wow, that's amazing stuff. One last hurrah. I would like to take it right out to the end again when I get more. There we go, good. This has got a lot of root. Oh, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so at the very least, this is a break, and it might be a wrap for the day. And there's my plantings. Isn't that awesome? That is just so awesome. Okay, I don't know how much more I'm going to do, but what I am going to do, you see, I got all that stuff to deal with. Everything's in the bucket, except for this stuff that's on the ground. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sit on my butt, I'm going to sort that stuff, and that stuff. These are my jades I stuck in a pot the other day. Now, I have no idea what that is, but got all those potatoes on it. Potato vines are a bad thing. That's a $1 billion baby plant. Okay, there's a purple wanderer. That's a purple wanderer. Okay, that's a nice purple wanderer. What's that? That's a dead thing. That's a dead thing. Why should you give me dead things? Okay, that's a cactus. Okay, there's a jade. Now this is weird because plant with no roots. That confuses me. Another one, but we'll set them aside. There are jades in a pile here. That's another purple wanderer. There's a purple wanderer. There's a purple wanderer. There's another. Ooh, look at that. That's a good one. There's a purple wanderer. There's a jade. Ooh, look at that. Wow. That's a jade tree almost. There's a jade. 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 Okay. Purple, dead thing, purple, kind of a sick-looking purple, purple, leaves, 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 that's a sick-looking purple, okay, purple, dead leaf, purple, jade, dead, jade, purple, purple, jade, purple, dead purple, 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 wanderer, purple wanderer, purple wanderer, ooh, Ooh, soggy purple wanderer. But then, I just throw them on the ground. They either work or they don't. Dead. Okay, there. Okay, so $1 billion baby and a bunch of purples. Oh, yeah, this thing. Now, what do we do with this? She said there was something in here I didn't want. She also said this is going to get really big and climb up trees. I don't want anything climbing up my trees. I don't like things climbing up my trees. But this is okay for the meanwhile because it's in a pot. I'll decide with that later. Pot of jade. I wonder if they're doing anything in there. So you can either picture this palm tree with monkey grass all around it instead of the various weeds and stuff that try to come in there. That'd be real nice. Let's get stuff out of the barrel. Here we go. Take the dumped stuff. Stuff that just got dumped in here. Bring it out over here. So there's a potted million baby thingy. Here's a, what is that? I have no idea what that is. Weird. But we'll put it in the pot. Oh, a monkey grass. A little baby monkey grass. Okay, I think this is starting to look like a trash collection. That's purple. Okay, this is purple. You know what? The rest of this, I'm just going to throw down over there. And if it wants to root, it can root. I gotta tell you, the Severius is also known as the snake plant. Now you take that, and what's that remind you of? How about Severus Snape, right? Severius snake. So that's why I call it the Severus plant sometimes, or the Snape plant, because I think that's kind of cool. So all that's left in there is Severius and Queens of the Night. Now, I got a plan for the Queens of the Night, but I'm not sure if I'm up to that today. But who knows? Maybe in a little while. Take a break. I got my stuff sorted. The purples, I think I'll take the purples. Yeah, the jades I want to get in some dirt. The purples, I'm going to take these and go over to the reclaimed area, aka the bird bath area. Okay, we'll throw these around and they'll either dig in or not. If they dig in, that'll be nice. It'll add some nice color here. Yeah, that's enough there. One more. Okay, now I'm going to take the rest of these and go back where my banana tree is. Let's take a look at that. Okay. Cool. I'm going to put these down around the banana tree. Okay. Now the place I'm thinking of for the Queens of the Night, they don't want direct sun, is this side of this. So this is not going to get sun at all in there. And I could just make a plot just full of those things right there, just to have a place to stick them in the ground. And maybe I could do over there, do the Severius. Okay, and jades and cactus can go up front in the original garden, and $1 billion babies can go up there too. They do fine up there. Oh yeah, and I still got these over here. These are things I'm going to come inside with them. Okay. Okay, wherever you are. That's a purple, isn't it? I think those are purples. I'm just going to go put those in the ground. Not sure what you are, but you're in the ground now, so you work it out. Yeah, in there. Okay, and you can let me know later what you are. Good. Okay, good. That's good on that. Hell, I might as well do the Queens. Oh yeah, I still got all that to bring in. What am I going to do here? This needs some dirt. Yeah. that back in pot. We can take that out. That's a pot. We can take that out. That's my dirt. We'll just stick all this stuff in here. Good luck to you. A tray of jade. A jade tray. Oh, do you have a jade tray? Take care of that. Stick those queens in. These did just poking the ground. Well, I think I just had another camera malfunction. I just found out this was off. So anyways, I got these all in. Used up all my monkey grass. Very happy with that. That'll be awesome if that takes. I just watered everything. I sorted and potted and watered these things. Savarius is still there. But I did go down here and I planted some Queen of the Night here, which will be in the shade, completely in the shade. There'll be no direct sun on them at all. I dug up the ground, dug through some roots and things. If that didn't come out on camera, that's a shame because the root slayer was marvelous. I mean, look at the roots, I just went right through. Okay, and then I just stuck them in, and she says just as long as they can be wet when they're making roots. Anyways, if that takes off, that'll be beautiful. Those big green, light green leaves against the fine, small, thin leaves, darker green of the palmetto. I'll show you the purples. I just dumped a bunch of purples in here by the banana plant. I put half of them here and half in the newly cleared area. And two of the purples I actually buried. I think they're purples. I'm not really sure what they are. That thing right there and that thing right there. They had more root than anything else, so I just stuck the root underground and we'll see what comes up. Did more than I thought I was going to get through, but not as much as I'd hoped to. There's mainly two things I didn't get done that I'd like to get done, but the back is going again, so that's going to be a wrap for today. So happy day to you.